Welcome back to my vlog. I know you missed me as much as I missed you all. So today, we're in Verdant Acre Homes at Pila, Laguna here with the family for my sister Kathy's birthday celebration. And I'm here with my with my guest vlogger, my son. Say hi to them. Hi. Okay. So this edition of my vlog is what's inside my on-the-go bag. And here's my favorite bag right now. My favorite on-the-go bag as of the moment. It's my Kate Spade bag. I like it because it's not too big but it's very spacious inside. Ayan, later makikita niyo yung mga napakadaming laman ng bag ko. But these are just essentials. And what's interesting about this what of the stuff inside my bag, you know, us girls, mahilig tayo sa mga pouches, no? Marami akong pouches na nandyan ng mga anik-anik. And wala siyang common color, walang common brand yung mga pouch ko. Pero may common theme siya. They are all given to me as gifts. So, may mga sentimental value yung mga pouch ko na nasa loob ng bag. Alright? So, lalabas ko siya one by one. Actually, not a lot pala, no? Starting with this. Rice. It's me.
Okay.
This is my first pouch. It's my benefit pouch. It's a gift from Ate Isa. Yan. This is so cute. Yan. May mga set na siya actually na nasa loob. It's from my blush. Okay. Ang dami. Diba? Mayroon pa akong Vicks inhaler. Tanda na talaga. But right now, if yung parang it's beach or summer mode, I like this. This is my new favorite, Colorette. Colorette Summer Tint. Ito yung naka-suot sa akin ngayon. This is one of my favorite right now. And another one is yung mga pang casual lang, yung medyo nude. Ito, Clinique. Gift sa akin rin ni Atis. Ayan. I love this one so much kasi very natural lang siya, yung parang wala ka lang lipstick. The current one I'm using is the Happy Skin, yung Love na tint or na color niya. Yan. So, binili namin to ng sister ko ni Kathy, buy one take one from Shopee. Yan. Ayun, bad influence sa akin yun, sabi ko naman sa inyo. Ayan. And for my, well actually that's it. Mga lipstick yung iba. I have my nudes, my reds, ito yung mga nudes, ano ba? Hindi ko pala dala lahat. But yun, yung mga sobrang palagi ko lang ginagamit. Okay, next pouch is gonna be this one. Ito, gift sa akin to ni Ate Joy last Christmas. So, pair kami ni Brian. Sa kanya, color blue and letter B. Sorry, andyan yung gift. Letter B. Alger Abrenica. Okay, I'm gonna continue on with my vlog. Especially the next.
Wait, and I will get the ice. Okay?
Okay, going back. So, ang nilagay ko sa loob nito is mostly, actually, I use it as a medicine kit, yung mga emergency kit namin. And nilagay ko na rin dito yung kay Bryce, yung kanyang sunscreen for kids. And my hand cream. Ito favorite ko to kasi gift to ni Doc Liza during our Christmas party last year sa Victory. Ayan. And the others, ayun, yung mga puro mga medicines, tapos yung mga, ayan, yung mga lozenges, and stuff like that. Ayan. So, that's pouch number 2. Pouch number 3 is this. Ayan, may name ko rin, Joyce. This is a gift to me. Meron po siyang popio. A gift to me by one of my closest friends as well, Shalom. Ayan. Last Christmas, I think. Kasi sentimental ako, so, natapos. Ayan. Alright, so what's inside it? Ito yung mga, ayan, ano tawag dito? Yung mga charger, yung mga cords ko. So, yan, yung cords, charger ng phones, and my earphones is here. Ito, my everyday scents. Light lang kasi siya. Studded Lily by Victoria's Secret. From Ate. Thank you, Ate! And, of course, my shades. This is gotta be my favorite shades. ATM, my Gucci shades. Yan, sobrang love ko yung shape niya. And the B, of course. There. What's inside my bag? I didn't have my wallet today. I realized masyado kong dependent sa asawa ko dahil palaging nasa fanny pack niya yung cards namin and then yung wallet. So, and yung money. So, I don't need that. And of course, syempre, we sanitize all the time. I have my Bath and Body Works Cucumber Melon. I bought it pa sa US last year. Marami akong mga ganyang maliliit pa sa bahay. Pero ito, I think favorite scent ko kasi nila. So bango. And of course, wipes. Alam din natin mga babae yan. Hindi tayo mabubuhay ng walang wipes. At syempre dahil may anak ako, kailangan ko laging may ganito talaga. Ayan. Diba? That's it for me. Watch out later kasi i-raid ko, ibabag raid ko yung birthday girl, my sister. Kung ano yung laman ng on-the-go bag niya. Sana maayos yung bag niya. Actually, yun lang. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog while my baby's making noise. This bag, I bought it from Beloved by Ishi. Oh, I forgot to show you dahil meron kaming pool na pinuntahan and last week we went to the beach. So, lagi siyang nakasabit sa akin yung beach hat na sunscreen. It's always important to wear sunscreen. Ladies and gentlemen, tandaan niyo yan. Kasi pag tanda ng mabalat natin, sisingilin tayo pag hindi tayo nagsa-sunscreen. So, don't forget to always use this. Thank you so much. Stay pretty, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. God bless you all. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah, mwah.
Mama.
Bye.